Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll break down exactly why this product is the top choice and what makes it stand out from the rest. If you're looking to purchase it, check out the link in the description right now to grab it at the lowest price available. But the real question is, really, is it worth it at this lowest price? The answer is yes. The FOI FKIN M9 wood PC case combines natural wood elements with modern metal design, creating an elegant and sophisticated look that enhances any gaming setup. Equipped with 3 pre-installed ARGB PWM fans, this case offers high-performance heat dissipation, ensuring your components remain cool without sacrificing aesthetics. The spacious interior of the Foygen M9 accommodates various motherboard sizes and cooling solutions, providing flexibility for different components and future upgrades. A 270-degree panoramic glass panel not only provides a stunning view of your build, but also features a hinged design for easy access and installation. The case includes a variety of input and output ports, including Type-C and USB ports, ensuring you have all the connectivity options needed for modern devices. FOIFKIN offers excellent customer support, ensuring a risk-free purchase experience with a focus on quality and customer satisfaction.